Okay, welcome back. It is day 185 of coding every single day. So today was my orientation for the research. Um, Went over a little bit of the project, the scheduling mainly. The first full 2 weeks are just going to be literature review, which is a little boring, but what you going to do? That's what they want. So yeah, first 2 weeks they want us to read about 10 to 20 research papers around the whole autism, smart home, whatever, from technology, just autism stuff. So that'll be what I'm doing in the mornings, probably. But hopefully, what happens is it'll be like 9 a.m. to 1. I'm in lab reading papers, summarizing, whatever. And then I'll go off, hit the gym, whatever. Um, Maybe go to a cafe, and then after cafe, get something to eat, get back, work a little more, and then have my evening off. That's would be ideal for the summer. Um, I mean, for these couple 2 weeks, once we actually get into work, I might go back to the lab in the evening or something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, as for what I did coding wise today, um, I so this knock app, I I mainly vibe coded most of the front end, right? And then when I tried earlier, I've gotten just too used to it. It's not good. I'll be honest. I went to go write the back end and had no motivation to write that. So then I was like, you know what? Let's get past this hump of, you know, and just ask it to do the GitHub integration thing. Because that, not just the back end, but the GitHub integration was, uh, I just didn't really know where to start. Um, and now it literally has 50 errors. So I'm just going to ask it to undo everything after I finish recording this and as I'm uploading. And then I'll just start from square one again. It's whatever. Um, but yeah, so I need to find some time to just sit down and plan that app out. Um, but yeah, and then I did a leak code as well. Very, very simple leak code. Um, just as it was generating stuff. Um, so yeah, um, that's about it. I'm gonna start literature review tomorrow, so I need to be up in about 9 hours. I'll go to bed in 30 minutes, get some good sleep, and then go to the lab. And yeah, I don't know how that vibe is gonna be. We're kind of in like a closet the size of it with two grad students. There's only four places, so it's me, my partner, and two grad students. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not sure. Um, but yeah, so that's all I got for today. I will see you tomorrow. I'll talk about how literature review went, I guess, and then I don't know when I'm going to work on this project management tool, to be honest. So we'll see. Maybe I'll think about it tomorrow. Okay, bye.